Hi, my name is Dr. Sarah Pace with Pace Family Chiropractic, and I'm currently taking the Intersect for Kids 100-hour certification program. This program is an alternative option for kids with neurodevelopmental disorders. This program provides optimal nutrition, chiropractic, neurointegrative exercises, and massage to help these children reach their maximum potential in life. Some neurodevelopmental disorders include sensory processing disorder, autism spectrum, and ADHD, just to name a few. Children with these conditions can greatly benefit from this type of program. Each child is seen as an individual, and a complete evaluation will be performed, which includes primitive reflex testing, a thorough chiropractic exam, a questionnaire, x-rays, and blood work or other labs if necessary. Based on our findings, a specific program will be implemented, which includes chiropractic adjustments, massage, neurointegrative exercises, and nutrition to help these kids reach their potential. If you are looking for a natural approach to help your child with neurodevelopmental disorders, please call the office today to set up an initial consultation.